Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between cashier's check and money order. Both are secure payment methods used instead of cash or personal checks, but they differ in terms of security, cost, availability, limits, and usage. Let's explore these differences one by one. Number 1. A cashier's check is issued by a bank or credit union, whereas a money order is issued by banks, post offices, retail stores, or authorized agents. Number 2. A cashier's check uses funds directly withdrawn from the purchaser's bank account, whereas a money order is prepaid at the time of purchase. Number 3. A cashier's check offers very high security and is considered safer, whereas a money order provides moderate security and is more vulnerable to loss or theft. Number 4. A cashier's check is guaranteed by the issuing bank, whereas a money order is guaranteed by the organization or store that issues it. Number 5. A cashier's check usually has higher service fees, whereas a money order generally comes with lower fees. Number 6. A cashier's check allows larger payment amounts, whereas a money order usually has lower maximum limits. Number 7. Funds from a cashier's check are immediately guaranteed and available, whereas a money order may take more time to clear. Number 8. A cashier's check is widely accepted for large transactions such as rent, property purchases, and business payments, whereas a money order is mainly used for smaller, everyday payments. Number 9. A lost or stolen cashier's check can often be stopped and reissued by the bank, whereas replacing a lost money order can be difficult and time-consuming. Number 10. A cashier's check is easier to trace through the issuing bank, whereas a money order is generally harder to track. Number 11. A cashier's check can usually be canceled before it is cashed, whereas a money order often cannot be refunded after issuance. Number 12. A cashier's check often requires a valid ID and bank account, whereas a money order may require identification depending on the issuer and amount. Number 13. A cashier's check is only available through banks and credit unions, whereas a money order can be purchased from many convenient locations such as post offices and retail stores. Number 14. A cashier's check is processed quickly for immediate use, whereas a money order may involve slight processing delays. Number 15. A cashier's check is considered more professional and trustworthy for major payments, whereas a money order is viewed as a simple payment option for personal or smaller transactions. In summary, a cashier's check is best suited for large and highly secure payments, while a money order is more suitable for smaller and low-cost transactions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.